everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm showing you guys how to use the Walmart app. Now I already have it open, so it opened and it's going to be like really dark. I don't know why it's really dark. But what this is this is a Walmart app. I definitely recommend doing it, and then I recommend having an account. You guys can do like your online shopping. You can price check stuff. You can also sometimes find out where items are in the store. Like they'll tell you what item they have, or they'll tell you if it has it in stock. But what I'm going to show you guys is the savings catcher thing. So this is savings catcher. As you see right here, you know, it says add Walmart receipt, your results, view dollars, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so what you guys are going to do is, I haven't submitted this receipt. Anytime I go to Walmart, I always just scan. I do savings catcher all the time. I haven't gotten much, but I've gotten $10.31 for my lifetime. That's a lot of money. But I've been really using it a lot in the last couple months, so I'm here to show you guys what to do. So what you guys are going to do is, you know, after you start your Walmart account, you're just going to do add receipt, and then it's just going to ask you to take a picture of that code, and then it says, thank you, Savings Catcher will now search for advertised prices from top competitors in your area. We'll notify you as soon as possible. So you can do up to 7 receipts per week, or within a 7-day time period. So all you guys do is just kind of the same thing you do with iBought. You just scan that little code, whatever, and then you'll get an email. Now sometimes it might take a couple days before you get money back. Lately I've been getting money back a lot, like crazy, just a couple bucks here and there. Let me see if I can find out, if I can show you guys my money that I got. Okay, so like right here, I bought $25 worth of stuff. That was the one I just scanned yesterday, so it's still waiting. The one I scanned yesterday also. This is one that I scanned last week, nothing. This is one I scanned last week, nothing. But then here I got 49 cents back, I got 30 cents back, 18, $2.27 I got back. 27 cents, $1.56, 18 cents, $1.74. So, I mean, it does add up. It's a little change, and then basically you can just scan your gift card when you do redeem it. But I just wanted to show you guys how to use the Walmart Savings Catcher app. If you guys have any other apps you want me to show you how they work, please let me know. I'm here to make you guys, you know, a video showing you guys how to make things. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.